It all started 125 years ago with a simple idea that grew into a multi-function pocket knife and into an unprecedented success story. Under the brand name Victorinox, the Swiss Army knife started on its path to international fame, which has continued until today. The Swiss Army knife was developed by the pioneer Karl Elsener in Ibach in Switzerland. It was soon adopted by the Swiss Army and became increasingly popular everywhere from that moment on. The name of the company was created by combining the first name of the inventor's mother, Victoria, with the name of the stainless steel used for the blades, inox. Victorinox knives were soon being sold all over the world. Inspired and prompted by the success of the Swiss pocket knife, Victorinox now produces quality products such as watches, luggage, clothing, fragrances, as well as household and professional knives. The products with the symbol of the Victorinox cross inside a shield are much more than mere objects for day-to-day use. They quickly become companions for life in exciting, romantic, and everyday situations, as well as in festive moments. Discover the wonders of nature, dive into unexpected adventures, and thereby discover many new and unknown experiences. Wherever small challenges await you, the Swiss pocket knife is in its element, always at hand and ready to provide its useful services. The fragrance of the Alps and of nature, our thoughts begin to wander. Memories, longings, thoughts of long-forgotten worlds. When love is far away, there is only one thing that overcomes the distance: the thought of it, and a fragrance that reminds you of it. The glittering play of lights on the water, the pulsating life of the city, everyday and unique moments united in the smallest space. Clothes maketh the man. What would we do without the right clothes, perfect for every moment? city to city, from country to country. At home anywhere in the world that seems to become ever smaller. Foreign countries, distant continents, a piece of home that is always with you, safely packed away in our luggage. The things we take with us on a journey are precious as the return to a loved one. With all the changes that take place, there is a growing yearning for constancy, for tradition, and for traditional values. At some time in life, it is the time to give something back, to pass something on, to make a gift of something we ourselves received, and to remember where we came from, where our roots are. 125 years ago, with the invention of the Swiss Army knife, Carl Elsener laid a milestone that set the standard for many other products. These products represent the highest quality craftsmanship, design, reliability, and functionality. They are always with you and will accompany you through life. Victorinox, your companion for life.